Welcome to Code Craft Cafe. Imagine this. You've spent countless hours perfecting your resume. Every detail meticulously crafted, every achievement highlighted, and every skill strategically placed. You hit send with confidence, only to be met with silence. No calls, no emails, nothing. It's as if your resume has vanished into thin air. But what if I told you there's an invisible barrier standing between you and your dream job? This barrier is known as the Applicant Tracking System, or ATS. In today's video, we'll uncover the mystery behind ATS and reveal how you can navigate this digital gatekeeper to ensure your resume gets the attention it deserves. Let's dive in. This disheartening scenario is a common experience for many job seekers, and often the culprit is a poorly optimized resume that failed to impress the ATS. ATS acts as a filter, scanning resumes for specific keywords and criteria that align with the job requirements. Resumes that don't meet these criteria are often automatically rejected, regardless of the candidate's qualifications. This means that even the most qualified candidate can be overlooked if their resume isn't optimized for ATS compatibility. The good news is that understanding how ATS works and optimizing your resume accordingly is well within your reach. By learning the secrets of ATS optimization, you can significantly increase your chances of getting your resume noticed and landing an interview. Applicant Tracking Systems, or ATS, might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but they're very real and increasingly prevalent in the recruitment world. ATS is software used by companies to streamline their hiring process. It's a digital gatekeeper that helps recruiters manage the influx of resumes. Think of ATS as a sophisticated database that stores and organizes resumes. When you submit your resume online, it usually goes directly into an ATS database. The ATS scans your resume for relevant information. It helps recruiters quickly filter through applications, narrowing down candidates. The system looks for specific keywords related to the job description. While ATS is powerful for employers, it can frustrate job seekers. By understanding ATS, you can work with it, not against it. Tailoring your resume to meet ATS criteria improves your chances. To conquer the ATS, you need to think like it. At its core, ATS relies heavily on keywords to assess your qualifications. Keywords are specific words or phrases that relate to the skills, experience, education, and other requirements outlined in the job description. Imagine the ATS as a search engine like Google. When you search for something on Google, it crawls through websites looking for the keywords you entered to provide the most relevant results. Similarly, ATS scans your resume for keywords that match the job description. The more relevant keywords your resume contains, the higher it will rank in the ATS, increasing your visibility to recruiters. Keywords aren't just about your job titles, though those are important too. They encompass a wide range of skills, both hard and soft qualifications, software proficiency, industry jargon, and even specific terminology used in the company's job posting. For example, if a job description mentions project management, budget control, and team leadership, your resume should include these exact phrases if they apply to your experience. However, stuffing your resume with keywords without context or relevance is a big no-no. ATS are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and many can detect keyword stuffing, which can actually harm your chances of getting noticed. The key is to incorporate keywords organically and authentically throughout your resume, ensuring they accurately reflect your skills and experience. Speak the ATS language, mastering the art of keyword integration. Now that you understand the importance of keywords, the next step is learning how to integrate them seamlessly into your resume. The job description is your treasure map, guiding you to the keywords that will unlock your resume's potential. Highlight all the essential skills, qualifications, and experience mentioned. Pay attention to repeated words or phrases. These are strong indicators of keywords the ATS looks for. Align your skills and experience with those keywords. Use action verbs and specific examples to showcase how you've used those keywords in real-world situations. For example, emphasize customer service and problem-solving skills. Instead of writing handled customer inquiries, say, resolved over 100 customer inquiries weekly, exceeding targets. This incorporates keywords naturally and quantifies your achievements, making your resume more impactful. Make it easy for the ATS to understand your qualifications and match them to the job requirements. Section 5. Cracking the code, leveraging CV scoring for ATS success. As you optimize your resume for ATS, it's helpful to understand the concept of CV scoring. Many ATS platforms use scoring systems to rank candidates based on how well their resumes match the job requirements. Although the specific scoring criteria vary depending on the ATS and the employer's settings, understanding the general principles can give you an edge. Think of CV scoring as a game where you earn points for every keyword match, relevant skill listed, and experience that aligns with the job description. The higher your score, the better your chances of standing out from the competition and landing an interview. While you can't control the exact algorithms used by every ATS, you can use this knowledge to your advantage. By strategically incorporating relevant keywords, quantifying your achievements, and tailoring your resume to each job description, you can boost your CV score and increase your visibility to recruiters. Some ATS systems even offer candidates the opportunity to see their CV score or provide feedback on their resume's ATS compatibility. If you have access to such tools, take advantage of them. These insights can be invaluable in identifying areas for improvement and optimizing your resume for maximum impact. Section 6. Formatting for the machine. Optimizing your resume for ATS readability. While keywords are crucial, don't underestimate the importance of formatting. ATS software might be advanced, but it still relies on recognizing specific patterns and structures to parse information correctly. A poorly formatted resume can confuse the ATS, leading to misinterpretations, missed keywords, and ultimately rejection. One of the most important formatting tips is to use a clean and simple layout. Avoid fancy fonts, intricate designs, or excessive use of colors and graphics. Stick to standard fonts like Times New Roman, Arial, or Calibri, and use a font size between 10 and 12 points for easy readability. Organize your resume into clear, well-defined sections with concise headings such as summary, experience, skills, and education. Use bullet points to highlight your achievements and responsibilities, making your resume easier for the ATS to scan and digest. Avoid using tables, columns, or text boxes, as these can confuse the ATS and cause formatting issues. Similarly, steer clear of headers and footers, as the information contained within them is often overlooked by ATS software. The goal is to present your information in a straightforward, linear format that the ATS can easily understand. And that's it. By optimizing your resume for ATS, you increase your chances of getting noticed and landing interviews. But remember, this is just the beginning. Your resume is a living document that should evolve with your career. Regularly update it with new skills, experiences, and achievements to stay ahead in the job market. If you want to learn more about how to ace your resume and CV scoring, subscribe to Codecraft Cafe for more tutorials and book a one-on-one session with our experts. Don't forget to follow us on social media for more tips and tricks, and check out our website at codecraftcafe.uk.com. Thank you for watching and good luck with your job search.